Gotta shake it and make sure it's not gonna fall on our heads. Throw a 3-tire tap right now for the camera. Oh, it's like a 270.
One more time.
It's gorgeous out.
I'm gonna come into the door.
It's gorgeous out.
It really is.
It's nice. Here we go, Stan said it.
I might hit you.
You're good. Hey! Ah! So today, we're doing a clutch on Damien Z here. What are you working on right now?
All right, there's a bolt you have to get through the engine bay that is called the Demon Bolt by the Z community.
The Demon Bolt.
And it's junk.
How many extensions do you have right there?
3, literally 3.
Oh, you want it? I
Junk
can't
as
see
fuck.
the socket, it just is never ending. All right, Demon bolts are out. We're gonna send it all the way up. How does that feel?
That feels baller, I'm not gonna lie.
The lift, like.
We need one.
Yo, huge shout out to Tony over here working on his S14, opening the garage up bright and early for us so that we could do this clutch job with ease. Definitely follow his YouTube channel. Drop him a subscribe at Kuro Lifestyle.
I was a little bit low.
Drop it on the safety. Drop it on the safety. What is this?
Basically, we're gonna take the subframe off. 2 cat bolts. There's 2 bolts right here. My flex pipes are fucked. This bolt, these 2 O2 sensors, slave cylinder, crank sensor, linkage, drive shaft, and there's a sensor up there and 2 right there, and a starter, and that's it.
Not bad. Decent amount of work, but not bad. Not bad.
Alright, so right now I'm taking off the drive shaft bolts. There's 4, and then it pulls back out of the tranny this way, so it'll pull back and then down.
Gotta stay organized.
Turn it down.
Pull forward. This exhaust is crusty, dude.
Oh, hell yeah.
Oh, look at that. Look at that.
That's a BPS drive
That's light.
Carbon fiber, boy, don't drop it.
Oh no.
Is that custom?
No. It comes stock.
Really? There you go.
There it is.
Alright, I can get it.
Other one? Is that one?
Huh?
It fell on your head?
Yeah, we were trying to wrench it off and we were just
Oh shit,
I was
dude.
doing pull-ups and it came off.
I put the starter in at H2O. Ah, fuck. At H2O.
You don't know how many times I did that in school.
Shouldn't be too bad. I totally torqued all of them. We shouldn't have put that fucking thing up so high.
There we go. Straight back.
Whoa.
Cess.
Let that shit get on your shoes.
Pretty beefy fucking trainer, dude. Damn, that thing is
Light
pretty
though, right?
big.
No,
like
it's so light
with
for how
that
big it
shifter
is.
on there, it looks so much longer.
Yeah.
It's actually
It's usually
really
like
light for how
around
big it
here.
is. It's weird.
I smell nothing but burnt clutch.
Yeah. Oh,
taking
no,
off.
my rear main seal. This thing has had oil on it for a full year. eBay stage 2. And just started slipping after all the abuse.
I mean, kudos to it
Ow.
for holding up halfway decent.
Yeah, I got mine for 10.
For like an hour, I think.
Clean all down here. Clean all this bullshit.
We need impact.
Got the air impact out. About to impact these flywheel bolts out. They're T55 screws. I'm sorry if you can't see that well. The lighting on here is not the best. Brennan's trying though.
Don't worry, light crew out here. Bam.
Multiple phones. So we've only been here for not even an hour. Got the tranny off and got the whole clutch assembly off. Right now Cam is just in the process of cleaning this bitch up.
Giving this eBay flywheel a quick scuff. It's not really bad. These marks are pretty much just burnt oil because the rear main seal was leaking for a year.
Fuck.
Cam is literally standing on the tranny hoist so that he can get the oil cap off.
Fuck.
How does that feel up there? Because that looks kind of sketchy.
I just hurt my feet.
Oh yeah.
Is she black?
She black.
Pretty black. It's not bad. It changes the oil automatically.
This is the old clutch right here. Disgusting.
Slapping Damien's new STP oil filter on. One car that actually has an oil filter and a nice location rather than being straight up or like inside the engine bay. So here's Damien's brand new rear main seal. The reason his clutch was slipping for that long, his rear main seal is fine, but the seal under it that seals the oil pan was leaking.
Oh, the upper oil pan gasket.
Upper oil pan gasket. So we're gonna do this, and then we're also gonna try to fix that so it stops leaking, so his new clutch doesn't slip. But as you can see, this is crispy.
There we go. So this was what was causing my oil leak the whole time. This little janky gasket, which I do have a new one. Any chances with that? I do not want it to leak at all. So all the RTV, the whole RTV.
Way longer. Put it in that way, yeah.
It's like 4 houses or whatever, and it had literally.
There you go, there you go.
Just gonna put it in there.
Shout out to XTD for that custom red, that fast red boy.
Oh yeah, fastest
Ferrari
the fastest
red.
red, dude. What do you mean? That shit's out.
It's fucking 15 horsepower right there.
Right? Yep, that's it right there. Can of it right there if you need it. I'm gonna
Oh yeah, look at that. On the money. I think we're mint anyway. The fluid looks relatively clean. It's not black.
Oh.
4 quarts goes in.
Looks neon as fuck.
That's such a beef amount of tranny fluid.
Yeah, 4 fucking quarts, dude.
Sorry, where's that little bolt? You got that bolt out of your flywheel? Yeah. Was it nice? Or did you have to vice grip it? Most of it's on there. There's enough to get a bolt in there. Wait, what do you mean? What'd you do? I drilled out most of it, so there's like 7 threads there. With a bolt? I found a shorter bolt. Wow.
You ready to muscle this shit in?
Yeah.
Alright. Damien, get your ass over here. We need some muscles, bro.
Someone's got to guide it in.
Yeah.
I'll guide it in.
Yeah, like I'm gonna get the back, you got that side. I'll do bolt and guide.
Tony,
right?
don't. Be careful. It's sharp.
Got it. 3, 2, 1, go.
Keep it tilted forward as much as you can.
Yeah, I am.
What's that shit grab out of the way? What's going on?
Oh, there it is.
Here we go. Here we go.
Oh, this is a tight bolt.
Wanna get that jack? Wanna get that jack? The jack stand? I got it. Fucking it's heavy.
How heavy is that, Cam?
It's heavy.
Lower this part down.
Brennan, get your ass over here. Put your hand on the tranny.
I got you.
God, that bitch was heavy, dude.
Girthy ass tranny.
Leaking in the
Got
back?
your workout for the day.
No, it's not leaking.
There we go.
Is that the JDM starter delete plate?
Basically, you see where the steering shaft is?
Mm-hmm.
If it's on the other side, they just put the starter on this side. Make sure the gasket's good. You gotta hold it flat Was that side in?
Almost. Now it is.
Doing, yes, that nut right there, the rusty ass one.
Basically all done with Damien's clutch. All we have to do is reinstall this chassis brace. Sadly, it's kind of dirty and we have no more brake cleaner left, so we have to put it on all disgustingly with all the gunk.
Better though.
No, other way. Look at this.
You hear all the shit falling off?
Yeah, dude.
I need a big bolt. Yeah, one.
Yep.
This front left one has to come in a little bit.
Getting the oil in there. Gonna do the first startup and test with the new clutch. I'm gonna dump fourth tomorrow after it's broken in.
Thompson life, dude. Lock City. We'll be out there.
How is it? How is it?
It's really fucking vibrating. I might go back to the stock mount.
No, dude, he's bitching out. He put that solid mount in there and he said it's too vibrating.
Dude, it's really bad.
Dude, what do you expect? You put a fucking
Just
solid
touch the
mount.
car. Just like hold the car.
That solid mount's for
It
you.
sounds better though.
What, is the clutch good? No slip?
Oh yeah, it's me. I banged second, no slip.
Alright, well, there you guys go. That's a 350Z clutch install for you, but we also got something special here. The new tuner crate came in. We're gonna go ahead, we're gonna pop this thing open. Let's see what's inside. Everyone just grab everything. Oh, we got a toy, dude. Oh, open his green shirt. Open his
Tuna no crust. That's the way to go.
Open
This guy
that
knows
green
what's
one.
up, dude.
Open that green one.
It's back in there. We got something big. Look at that.
Oh shit, dude. It's
If
the
you guys
fucking
are
Eclipse.
interested,
It's the Eclipse or Fast and Furious.
that's fucking
Yeah.
mint, dude. Remember the Buster? If you guys want to pick up a tuner crate, we will have a link. Where's the link gonna be?
Down in the description,
In the
obviously.
description. Coupon code Haggard. Click the link.
Save 10%.
Yeah, pick yourself up a nice tuner crate subscription. You'll be mint. Thank you for watching. We will
Oh, yeah.
see you tomorrow with some crazy ass shit. So subscribe and like.